Let's make carnation today. There are many anniversaries in May. We must thank for our mothers and fathers for giving birth to us. Usually, on Parents' Day or Teacher's Day, carnations are made and attached to the chest. Now, why don't we make the world's only precious carnations that we made ourselves? Shall we start making carnations now? We need to make its stems first. Cut the green paper into the right size with scissors. Roll up the paper using a thin and long square. Glue the ends together and please put it on as neatly as possible. Finally, remove the squares carefully so that they won't wrinkle. Can you feel the child really like it? Prepare 8 pieces of paper overlaid with each other. Fold the overlapping paper into a zigzag shape. Tie middle of the folded paper using a craft wire. Bend the craft wire well before finishing it. Cut the ends round with scissors. Place the paper upward based on the center you tied. Gather a sheet of paper in the middle and spread it up. Spread the paper out to look like petals. Wow, flowers are ready! Isn't it pretty? It's almost done. Cheer up a little bit more. Cut the top of the stem straight and put the flower in it. Now it's already done. I'll explain the flowering process one more time quickly and accurately. Fold 8 sheets of paper zigzag. I'll band the craft wire around the middle of the paper. Then, cut the ends round with scissors. Place the paper upward based on the center you tied. Gather a sheet of paper in the middle and spread it out. Spread the flower petals in the middle. It's easy for every one of you who are watching this video. The only precious carnations in the world have been completed. Now I'm going to dye the paper using a pink color. It's okay to color it with a different color. Blue, purple, anything. Separate the flowers from the stem and wet the flowers in the paint. Oh, she looks so happy making them. When the dyed paper dries, it becomes more natural. So, don't worry if it's too thin. After that, you should wait until they dry. When it dries, it becomes this pretty and rich. Yellow flowers are pretty and wine-colored flowers are pretty as well, so try working on them. It will work perfectly for sure. Put it back on its stem when it's dry. Then it's really done. Make it your favorite color. Blue, purple, red. Anything will work and anything will be pretty. If the video helped you, please subscribe and like the video. Family Month May. Give your parents your own and only one flower in the world. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe and like it.